And let's talk about the latest update from the National Hurricane Center tracking the tropics for you. They have increased the chance of development for this system over the Yucatan Peninsula. Now an 80% chance of development in the next 5 days in this red shaded area. Regardless of development, it will increase our rain chances this weekend. Live 5 cam showing that we do have a little bit of hazy cloud cover out there, but 78 degrees right now in West Palm Beach. A couple stray showers moving into the Boynton Beach area and around Vero Beach right now, but rain chances really don't go up until later this afternoon, mainly for inland areas. A 40% chance of rain. An isolated storm, most of that will push west by the evening. Your 7-day forecast shows rain chances start to go up a bit on Friday as a bit more moisture builds in. Highest rain chances though on Saturday into Sunday. We're hoping that system tracks farther west, and that will mean a better Monday forecast for us.